Hey guys, this is Simon with Toughtrader.com. I wanted to show y'all how to open up the updated versions of the new Tough Trader indicators that'll be sent out to members who have subscribed for them. The way this will work is very straightforward. So the way you set it up is you come in and you hit File. So you've just opened up your Sierra charts, right? You're connected, you have the green light. You go File, and you hit Open Chart Book. Okay, and you're going to look for both the ES and the NQ that are in your time zone. So I'm on Central Standard Time, CST. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit Open, and you'll notice that the chart starts to open. So where you're going to run into issues, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Chart Settings, and you want to make sure both on the main and RTH charts that your symbol, which is under CS for chart settings, and it's under main settings, you want to make sure your symbol is set to whatever the appropriate symbol is for the data servers that you're using. This one's attached to gain right now, so the proper symbol is ESM18, and that takes care of that. So next, and make sure that your 24-hour, remember there's one 24-hour chart down here in the lower left-hand corner, and there's one RTH chart. Okay, next thing you want to do, once you have that established, your data should then download. You hit OK. You next want to go into SW for study settings, and you want to find your Toughtrader custom studies. The first thing you want to do, particularly if you've had it loaded before, is you want to remove it. Okay, and you want to hit apply, and you'll notice all the indicators fly off the screen, right? So then what you want to do is come back in and hit add custom study. And then what it'll look like when you open it originally will say Toughtrader Custom Studies, which once you've been approved for the software package, will automatically push out to your login. You want to hit Toughtrader Custom Studies, hit Add, and hit Apply. Okay, and you will then see, here, let's erase all lines. I was working on this earlier. You will then see all the data points light up. These are all the deltas, and these are your arming signals. The triangle's up and the triangle down, arms for short, triangle up, arms for long. Remember, there's a particular setup that if you need help with, contact me, or I've gone through it in the room, right? And it's important to remember that this is not an automatic, right? And I'm going to say this clearly. I do take stops on this. The idea is to have a high win rate and a great RR. That's the point of this. There's no magic bullet here. I'm still trying to make this make sense in terms of on a bigger picture, okay? And then really important, past performance is not indicative of future results. I forgot to flash this, so I'll flash it really quick. If you will please take the time to read this. There we go. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is for educational purposes only. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell any particular financial instrument. Equities, futures, options, and currency trading have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. If you'll take the time to read the rest of that, most importantly, just remember, risk management is everything, and this software is no panacea. You still have to be able to read a chart and have an understanding of which way you think the market will push in order to make your trades work overall. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, on ES specifically, NQ, you're done. This is set up at this point. On ES, you want to go into SW one more time. You want to go back to your Toughtrader custom settings. You want to hit settings, and right here where it says show all delta values, I change it to no. And the reason why is what I'm trying to do is lower the amount of noise I have on this chart. So I don't want to see any deltas that are lower than negative 500 or lower than positive 500. And so I can concentrate just on those bars that have high positive or high negative delta readings, and everything else is just noise to me. So I want to leave those alone as much as possible. And what this does is it really helps me to see the turn in the market. So that's that. That's how you load the Toughtrader custom settings. If you have any questions, please email me at tradertough.com. Or you can reach out to me over Twitter, or for those of you, my coaching clients, Skype, you can reach out to me. So anyway, guys, I thought we did okay today. Balanced day. Let's come back tomorrow and have a great day. Hopefully we'll be done with all the news, and Mr. Trump will do whatever it is he's going to do overnight with Syria, and we'll get back to making money tomorrow. So talk to you later, guys. Have a great night.